In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your recently watched reels on Instagram and view your full Reels watch history. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, then navigate to the profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Head over to the option, your activity. Now scrolling down, you're going to find the option of watch history. If you don't see this option, it likely means this feature has not been rolled out to your account yet. Instagram is releasing it slowly. One way to possibly get it sooner is by updating your Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. If you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, you might get the option. After you access it, open Watch History to view every reel you have watched in the last 30 days. To delete items, tap Select in the top right, choose the reels you want to remove, tap Remove at the bottom and confirm it. And that's it, you have successfully deleted Watch History on your Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.